If you love creamy comfort food, you have to try these tender meatballs in a rich, creamy sauce. Let's make them. Add 1 liter of water to a pot. Then stir in 1 tablespoon of vegetable seasoning. While the water comes to a boil, prepare the meatballs. I use 500 grams, about 1.1 pounds, of ground meat, seasoned to taste. Add 50 grams of rice and 1 egg. Mix everything together well and shape into small meatballs. Lightly coat them in flour. Once the broth comes to a boil, carefully add the meatballs. Cook until they're done. When they float to the surface, they're ready. For the sauce, whisk 2 eggs with about 300 grams of plain yogurt. Add 4 tablespoons of flour and about 50 grams of butter. Mix everything together very well until smooth.
Between the lines, somehow I find you. I can't bother time no more time. Lines between the lines, somehow I find you. I can't borrow time, I'm tired of trying. I can't believe when you said.
Gradually add the hot broth, 1 ladle at a time, whisking constantly. Once the mixture is tempered, return it to the heat. Stir constantly until the sauce thickens. Add the meatballs back to the sauce. Let everything come to a gentle boil for a short time, and the dish is ready. Finally, sprinkle with fresh parsley. The result is an incredibly smooth and creamy sauce with tender, juicy meatballs. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe for more easy homemade recipe ideas.